Well, good evening everybody. Today we are doing a stage 3 intercooler on the Fiesta. So, Fiesta currently has an unbranded stage 2 intercooler with the words "Send it" on it. I like it, but there's no proven horsepower rating for this. So what we're going to do, pull the headlights off, pull the front bumper off, pull the unbranded "Send it" intercooler off. And what we are replacing it with is this. This is a Laird Performance Outlaw Stage 3. It is rated to 450 horsepower. So yeah, very exciting. What I'll probably end up doing is giving it a paint at some point, but for now we're just going to do a test fit. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull off the headlights. Front bumper is very little on the car compared to what you'd have if you were doing one of these. So this is not how to, this is how I do. Because my bumper is completely stripped down and it's not attached barely anywhere. So, and the headlights are just about in. So you can watch for entertainment purposes, but not for educational purposes. Because I'm no teacher, I'm just a guy. Let's go. These, by the way, I make them myself, so if you want one, get at me. Done. Easy. Fords are designed to be pulled apart because they break a lot. Can somebody in the comments please remind me that I've just put that 10mm in my pocket? Because we all know what happens to 10mm. Whoever works at Ford, for that bolt at the back, go f*** yourself. By the way, I promised I'd give him a shout out. Jake Staniforth on the Fiesta ST180 Owners Club. He's currently selling a Finsport Turbo and whatnot, so if you watch this shortly after release, he's got a Finsport Turbo for sale, a D-cap and an engine mount, and he was just a really decent dude and a nice selling experience. That's who I got this off. 150 quid off new. It's basically new besides a couple of little marks. I'm going to test fit it today and probably paint it up another time because I still want to have the "Send it" on it because, you know, sorry Ross, at Laird Performance. I'll keep this. That's got to go. Help! I've still got an intake linked up to the fog lights, so I'm just going to move that out. So this one, just mount it up to the slam panel. That one, I'm just going to undo that bolt and that bolt, lift, slide it underneath, or probably on top even, I don't know, we'll see, and see how it fits. Anybody want this? It's for sale. Let me know in the comments, send me a message. It's done one track day with me. There's your size comparison. The core at the bottom is practically the same size. So then this has got this entire stage 3 top section. So yeah, there we are. Very easy to fit. It's 450 horsepower rated. It's £400 only, which for 450 horsepower rated, you tell me one that's better. If you're not quite so fussed on the big power, then you're talking things like the R-Sport one, the AirTech one, which is more expensive even than this. The R-Sport one, 280 quid. The Pro Alloy Curved, that's another one that's good for like big horsepower, but that is enormous money. I am not going to put this back together, I'm just going to leave it as is, and we're just going to roll with it until I get repainted, which will be in another episode. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share the shit out of this, and let's make me loads of money on YouTube.